Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional-looking hotel logo for your hotel. If you have started a new hotel or want to upgrade your hotel logo and rebrand, then this video is for you. Not only hotel logos, you can also design or modify any other logos for your business. So, you need to create an account on canva.com. And let's talk about why we should choose Canva. The best thing about Canva is that you can modify pre-made templates curated by professionals and creatives. So create your account on Canva, and after that, go to the search bar and type Hotel Logos. Now you'll see Canva templates, and you can see that you can customize any logo you want. If you want to see all options, click See All, and you'll see more choices. Just explore and choose whichever you like. I think I'll go with this one, since it's free. I'll click on it and you'll get more options, but I'll stick with this and just customize this template. If you like any template, just use it. Now, if you want to work with text, these features let you customize the font and also resize, change color, make bold, italic, underline, strike through, uppercase and lowercase. You can align, make bullet points, adjust letter spacing and line spacing, change transparency, add effects, copy text, add animation, and position elements. If you want to add elements, go to Elements, search Hotel. Then go to Graphics, and you'll see a lot of options to choose from. Maybe you want to add something like this, and maybe tweak it like this or that. You can add anything you want. Just make sure everything looks good. Drag it to the center. Change its color. Pick whichever color you prefer. Maybe stick to the same color as before. Yes, this looks good. Like this, you can add whatever you want, and if you want to change the template, there are more templates. Go to Templates. This way, you can tweak, add, or try any elements, fonts, text, or anything else you want. After you're ready to export, before exporting, please check once more to make sure there are no mistakes. To download, rename your file, go to Share and Download, and save it as a PNG or any other available format. So yeah, in this simple way, you can modify pre-made templates and create your own hotel logo in Canva within a few minutes. So yeah, in this simple way, you can modify pre-made templates and create your own hotel logo in Canva within a few minutes.